Sari Stars, how are things going on in your sari world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a beautiful collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk saris. These are just perfect for New Year and Pongal, so let's get started with this collection. We begin with a Kanjivaram silk sari in a color that is considered auspicious. This is a lovely Kattan Kanjivaram in a combination of yellow and green. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely happy shade of yellow, and there are curtains in green all over the body. The borders are a lovely green and they have quilt and motifs inside. The gorgeous green pallu of the sari has seepareku and lines in zari. The sari has a green blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice kemp cardigan. This is a stunning Kanjivaram in a very unusual combination of short orange and mild karathu. This Kanjivaram is in a lovely shade of golden orange and there are zari curtains or zari checks all over the body. There are lovely zari motifs of Gudara, that is horses, and Gandaberunda, which is a two-headed mythical bird. These motifs are there all over the body. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a zari stripe along the edges. The pallu of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is in mild karathu and the motifs are completely done in zari. The motifs are Gudara, that is horses, Pakshis, Yali and Araimadam motifs. The gorgeous blouse fabric of the sari is in mild karathu, the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a lovely diamond necklace. This is a Kanjivaram silk sari, which is an absolute must-have in your wardrobe. It's in a lovely shade of deep red araku and it has a lovely green selvage at the bottom. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a gorgeous shade of deep red araku and there are curtains all over the body. The borders have beautiful zari motifs of quill cut and there is a lovely short green selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. The pallu of this sari is in the same deep red araku as the body and it has zari bands. The blouse fabric of the sari is running, but you can pair it with a beautiful short green blouse and accessorize it with a nice jade or green etiquette. Sea green is an absolutely stunning and soothing color. We have for you a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari in this color. If you are looking for simple classic Kanjivaram silk saris, then this one is for you. The body is in a gorgeous dual tone sea green color. It has a dual tone effect and there is a narrow stripe of zari along the edges. The resplendent red pallu of the sari has zari katam. This red pallu provides a beautiful contrast to the sea green body. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same red as the pallu and it has zari checks. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can also pair this blouse with many of your other saris. You can accessorize this sari with a nice coral or rupee antique. A gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual shade of rustish brown. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram with black Korvai borders. This is a Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body is in a lovely short of honey brown rust kind of shade, and there are Meenakari buttas on the body of the sari. The borders are in black and there are 5 rows of zari motifs on the borders, and these motifs are pakshi and floral motifs. The black pallu of this Kanjivaram silk sari has Seepirekku in zari. It also has zari lines and Jadai Nagam in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in black. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. This combination of Meenakari, Korvai, the vintage style design on the borders and the pallu makes this an absolute collector's piece. A classic ivory and red Kanjivaram. This one is a Korvai in a half and half style, and it's a no zari Kanjivaram. The upper half of this classic sari is in ivory and the lower half is in a deep red, and you can see the Korvai temple border separating the two parts. The pallu of the sari is in the same deep red as the lower portion, and it has Seepirekku in thread. This combination of ivory and red is a classic must-have combination, and it's a no zari sari which makes it a very, very versatile and comfortable one to dream. The blouse fabric of the sari is in deep red. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice antique. This is a very contemporary Kanjivaram silk sari with tartan patterns on the body and Korvai Ganga Jamuna borders. This is a no zari Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body is in a combination of shades of black and white, and it is in a tartan design. The borders are Ganga Jamuna borders. The upper border is in a mustardish yellow and the lower border is a deep red. This combination of red, yellow, black and white makes this a stunning sari. The red pallu of the sari has Seepirekku in thread. The blouse fabric of the sari is in red with the same Ganga Jamuna borders as the sari. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a black blouse, and you can accessorize it with some lovely beaded jewelry or traditional gold jewelry. Navy blue and pink is one of the eternal combinations in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a beautiful Kattan Korvai Kanjivaram for you in this combination. The body of this sari is in blue and there are kattans in pink all over the body. The borders are Korvai borders. You can see the Korvai temple borders here, and there are 2 stripes of zari on the pink border. The gorgeous pallu of the sari is in pink and there are 2 bands of Tazhabarekku in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same pink as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. Our collection of Kanjivaram silk saris has traditional designs as well as contemporary ones. To shop for our newer and Pongal Sankranti collection of Kanjivaram silk saris, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.